how to sync audio and video in Capcut. Now to do that, first let us import our videos. Let me just copy them and then add both of them to your Capcut. Now if your videos and audios are not synced, they might not match up to what you want. Now what you can do is just select both of them and then right click. Now there you'll see several options, but the one you want to click on is sync video to audio, that is video to sound. Now Capcut will do its magic, and as you can see, the video and sound has been synced. Now what you would want to do is first remove the sound from the video only, and then sound will only be played from your audio file. So that is how you do it, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.